You might think that Melbourne doesn't get hot very often. Visit us and we'll soon change your mind. My name's Brian Derrick. Welcome to my place. Historically, this little area here, centred around the Alphington railway station, this was an old state bank. This place found us, and we both fell in love with it. We were scared about where it is. It's in the middle of nowhere. A lot of people say, oh, you know, Thai food's really hot. Some people come in here for their incendiary fix every month or so.
Special for you, up to 3 chili. Yeah.
This is Master Chef Shalom. He's my partner. And Shalom's going to take us through how to make our famous roasted red curried duck. Our ducks are roasted here. They're marinated first and stuffed with all sorts of herbs. We slice that up very generously and then mix it into this amazing paste.
And then you cook probably 3 to 5 minutes until duck combine with all the curry.
People come in and the first thing they say is, have you got the duck? A lot of people call it a culinary oasis here. You know, they've driven it and say, where the hell are we? We've still got guests when they're arriving here folding up maps when they walk in the door. Isan is the northeastern region of Thailand. So that Isan is a lovely combination of Thai cuisine, Thai culture and Lao culture as well. This is papaya pok pok, or som tam as it's called. This is a classic Isan dish, and this will be the decider as to whether or not this is a good Isan restaurant. When Shalom came to Australia, he hadn't 1 second of commercial cookery experience, and he was a Buddhist monk for 7 years. The very first dish he ever made, it just bowled me over, and then he made a whole range of other dishes, and I said to him, we could do something with this. We're notified that we'd won a hat with the Age Good Food Guide, and it blew us away. Now we've got a lot to live up to. I've always tried to see Paladarr as a conduit for cultural exchange. You know, this is not a place where you just come to eat Thai food. We welcome people into the place as our friends and our guests. It's a night out. It's not just coming to eat. Whatever your creed or culture, Lerm and I both believe that a visit to Paladarr will provide you with your own exotic and unique trip to Thailand.